As we said before, culture is made up of two different elements: values and practices. This means that when we want to implement a culture change, we have to work on one of them. But there is a problem. As we also said, change is performed by people. That means that people tend to oppose to change. One of the main reasons why change often fails is because the existing culture of an organization maintains the status quo. So it's important to have a culture which supports change, open-minded. A culture with its comfort zone is wide enough to include innovation and to change and where change is accepted. But there is a problem. When little attention is paid to the development of a culture which supports the changes, then this change becomes unsustainable. We mentioned in the previous NOOCs that workers are the bearers of culture, and they will be always comfortable with an environment where culture of change is included if leaders work for that environment. Leaders have to support the culture of change and to show everybody that change is good and needed. Leaders have to lead, has to transform their people's views, make them grow. And sometimes that means that leaders have to embrace that change first and to be a beacon for the rest of their followers to follow the same path, to get out of their comfort zones and to see that culture is something alive. Culture changes adapt to new situations, help people to fit in their organizations, to know what to do, how to talk, how to perform against challenges. But culture is not something fixed. It must adapt and be able to catch up with the real world. Leaders have to transform culture when it's needed. They are the example, the main actors when change is needed, because in real life, everything is related to culture. And during this NOOC, we have tried to show that safety culture has to be improved every day and be understood by all the members of the industry. Leaders are the main actors to make people change, to make them adopt changes in their safety culture and their safety actions. And we hope you remember that being leaders in any safety environment is a great responsibility, that you willingly take and improve to make your industry better than before.